getting selected as a business operations intern at FICO in the very first year of my MBA journey was a truly exciting moment for me. Hi everyone, my name is Nandini Gupta from Digboy, Assam, currently pursuing MBA in Business Analytics from Chandigarh University Uttar Pradesh. Coming from a different state, I initially thought adapting to a new environment might be challenging. But at CUUP, I never felt any cultural difference or language barrier. The campus environment made me feel at home from day one. The university played a huge role in preparing me for this opportunity through soft skill classes, communication training, interviews and workshops, resume building sessions, personality development programs. These experiences gave me the confidence to perform well during the internship selection process. Being selected at FICO so early in my MBA journey is a milestone I'll always cherish, and it made me realize that CUUP doesn't just prepare you for your exams but also prepare you for your career.